Welcome back. Today we're going to have the part 2 on the parabola. So we just found our x and y intercept. Now we are going to find the equation of the AOS, or axis of symmetry. Now, finding the equation of the AOS, let's look back on our notes. Okay. To find the equation of the AOS, I need to use the second formula, or the second method. Okay, so I'm going to write it down underneath. X equaled negative b over 2a. This is what I need to use. And I'm going to write right on the side here my parabola, which is y equals x squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay. Now, to figure out what my a and b are, we're going to do the following. All right. Here should be my a, right? Here should be my b. So my b is not positive 3. I need to collect that negative, so it'll be a negative 3. So b will be negative 3. And my a, there's an invisible 1 here. So my a will be a positive 1. So by doing that and by identifying it, it makes my life a lot easier. I'm going to set that in. Negative bracket negative 3 all over 2 times 1. Okay, what happens here? We've got a negative and a negative multiplied together, because right here there's a small multiplication sign. Negative times a negative gives me a positive answer. So what I have is a positive 3 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So my equation of my x-axis, of my axis of symmetry is 3 over 2. Now, let's figure out the coordinates of the vertex. Let's look at our notes. Our note says to find the vertex, or the coordinates of it, is to substitute the equation of the AOS into the formula. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to write it down. My equation is y equals x squared minus 3x minus 10. My AOS equation is 3 over 2. Okay. It's where, if it makes it much easier, my AOS is x equals 3 over 2. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put wherever x is 3 over 2 with. So 3 over 2 squared minus 3 times 3 over 2 minus 10. Put this all into the calculator just to make your life easier. And we should get negative 49 over 4 for my y value. So therefore, my coordinate should be first my x, which is 3 over 2, comma, negative 49 over 4 is the vertex. Right. That's it. That's how I find my coordinates. And my lucky last question is sketch the parabola. Now, to sketch the parabola sketch means you don't have to do it too neatly or too accurately, but if you've already done that much steps, just do it accurately. Why not? Okay, so to do this, rather than using a table of values, use the information that you have done in the previous questions. So my x and y coordinates was, let's look at it. My x-intercepts and my y-intercepts were negative 2, 0. So negative 2, 0 and 5, 0 are my x-intercepts. So let's just do that. So I'll look at negative 2, 0. So I'll stop there. And positive 5, 0. There. Okay, my y-intercept was negative 10. So 0, negative 10. This one right here. And I'm going to do it. Negative, so I'm going to go 0. So my x was 0. And I'm going to go down to negative 10. Then what's my axis of symmetry? What's the coordinate of that vertex, sorry? Okay. The coordinates of the vertex is 3 over 2, negative 49 over 4 is the vertex. So I am going to just do it correctly and we'll see. 3, 5, about here. This is my vertex. If you want to find what negative 49 over 4 is as a decimal, just to make it easier for you, just press the SD button in your calculator right above the delete button, and that should give you that decimal. It should be around negative 12.25. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to draw it and just sketch. Now, one thing that you would normally get asked is show all your intercepts and label them. So I'm going to first label that this is y equals x squared minus 3x minus 10, as well as this is 5, 0 as my x-intercept. This is negative 2, 0. This is 0, negative 10. And this is 3 over 2, negative 49 over 4 is my vertex. So you need to label all those points that you plot if you're in an exam. Okay, hopefully that makes sense, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.